Hello, I'm Mike Beaven. I've spent my career working on both public and private sector digital transformations. As part of the UK government's digital service, I led the Exemplar programme, which delivered 20 new digital services in 400 days. And now, at AWS, I spend my time advising governments around the world on how to approach, strategise and implement digital transformation projects. From this experience, I think there are broadly 6 areas or pillars that, if you get right, lead to success. I'm going to begin with the first pillar, vision and strategy. A clear vision, strategy and goals means better engagement with transformation because teams then understand what drives it. A bold vision establishes what the future of public digital services will look like. Strategies are defined to achieve that vision. Setting goals describes what needs to be accomplished to implement that strategy. And the vision should be about what users need. And when I say users, I mean citizens, businesses and public sector employees who deliver the services. So the vision is for people to get what they need, be that a welfare payment or a driving licence, in a simpler way as possible. This means service design based on data from research and feedback about public services from those who need and deliver them. And that learning and course correction process is continuous throughout the development. Even with this clear vision and user-centric design in place, executive support is essential to maintain momentum when obstacles arise. Senior leaders whose operations and policies the transformation will impact have to buy into the vision. One approach is to have cross-organisational senior leaders take shared responsibility for the transformation. Israel achieved this by establishing a core team under the Ministry of Finance with senior leaders from a range of government functions. Another approach is to start with a small set of projects, delivering and showcasing results, and then scaling the success and lessons learned. The UK started with a content platform and worked with 8 government agencies in year 1 of their programme. This expanded to the UK Exemplar programme in year 2, which I led, and delivered 20 services over 2 years and set the playbook for the rest of UK government. A common blocker for transformations is resistance from middle management layers and those people who deliver the service day to day. Prototypes and proof of concepts reduce perceived risks and build confidence that the transformation will achieve the goals. The essence is, give people tools to make changes themselves instead of doing it to them. In Alberta, Canada, the provincial government has created teams of legislators and civil servants who understand the operational challenges around, say, probate and estates. They work alongside and with digital product experts to co-design the services. It is simply created by and with the people who use it to do their jobs. Also, be clear about what success means and state the benefits. However, a benefit such as lower costs can make the transformation look like a cost-cutting exercise. Address that by describing how the saving could be repurposed for new activity. For example, save money on maintaining outdated technology and invest it where service delivery is under-resourced. Or focus on security, resilience and responsiveness benefits that cloud-based transformation brings. As seen in the COVID-19 pandemic, when governments who had already adopted modern digital technology, they were able to respond quickly to citizens' needs for welfare payments and healthcare services. These services were shown to be more resilient and flexible than traditional on-premise technology. The intent of this approach is to harness a broad set of attributes that will enable successful transformation for both the leadership and the workforce of the organisation to achieve better outcomes for the citizens and businesses they support. So to recap, have a clear vision, strategy and goals based on user need. Get organisational and executive leadership support, be clear about what success is and demonstrate the benefits. Thank you for watching. We just discussed one of the 6 pillars of digital transformation in government. Please use the links below for the other pillars and supporting material and tools to help your customers with their digital transformation.